National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, southwestern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Fond du Lac and moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Fond du Lac around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Tachita, Peebles, Eden, Augusta, and Dundee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.